Hello, welcome to my channel Preschool Made Easy. In this video I am making decoration which you can use on any celebration or function or party. For making this decoration I am taking golden and silver paper, which is quarter sheet, one full sheet comes in 34 by 50 centimeter. First I'm cutting this sheet into half. Then I'm cutting this half sheet into further half. This is quarter sheet. To start, fold this into half, make crease, further divide it into half. You need to do this for even size pleat. Further divide it into half. Divide it again. Now fold this pleat by reversing the paper. This is how it's going to look. Now cut a deep curve with the help of scissors.
Pineapple breathe.
Same way you have to cut this side as well. Now see carefully, fold this pleat inside, leave two pleats and fold the third one inside and cut a small curve. Now open up the pleats like this. See carefully, how am I doing? Fold one pleat on the other side. Now leave one and fold one pleat. Now cut small curve and open up the pleat. Tie a ribbon in the middle. This is how it is going to look. Now I am applying glue on one side and paste it with the other hand. Apply glue on the other side as well.
Pineapple breeze.
Paste this together like I'm doing. Fix it properly. And this is done. This is not difficult, it's a little tricky. I've taken two colors, golden and silver. This decoration and fixing a ribbon. Stipple two decoration together just like I'm doing. You can use glue also instead of staple.
Pineapple breeze.
This is looking very beautiful, and you can hang this on the wall. If you are making this for your party, you can make it in many colors. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please like. If you have any problem, you can ask in comment box. Please share this video with friends and subscribe my channel for more creative videos.